Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do a Jamaican chicken salad. In this bowl I have 3 baked boneless chicken breasts shredded. I'm gonna add half a cup plum tomatoes, 1 cup pineapple. It can be either canned or fresh. If it's canned, drain it properly. Half a cup celery, chopped. The pineapple you cut in bite-sized pieces. Then you add one cup finely shredded lettuce. In this case, this lettuce is romaine lettuce. This is a jerk rub I made recently. I add 2 tablespoons jerk rub. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Mix this all up. Mix it. How lovely it looks. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 1, 2. Mix it all together. Smells lovely too. Okay, this is all for the mixing. After this is mixed up, you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Just get it chilled. Or if you feel like, you can eat it just as it is. See you later. Okay, I'm back. The Jamaica chicken salad have been refrigerated. I chilled it for about 45 minutes. how lovely it looks. It smells good and it looks really enticing. I have my drooling right now. It's quick and easy to make. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.